today I got some artwork for the BMW M2, aka the Black Eagle, and I'm gonna share it with you guys because I'm working on my garage. We're gonna be doing some work in it. I'm gonna be laying out some new floors. We're gonna be putting some cabinets in, and we're gonna be doing some artwork. So if you know me, you know I like art. So we're gonna put some artwork in the garage area, and I think you guys are gonna really like this one. I know I do. Oh man, wait till you see what I got. Yeah, all car enthusiasts. I think this is a must-have. I think it's my first time. I haven't seen anybody on YouTube or anywhere with this. So I think you guys are gonna like it, and I'm gonna also tell you where I got it from there. So if you're interested, you're a car enthusiast, you can get one for yourself. And like I said, I really think you guys are gonna enjoy it. So stay locked in, don't go nowhere, and let's get it to the garage. So like I said before, we're in the garage, and I got something very, very nice in this cylinder cone here. So let's open this thing up, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in here. You're gonna love it, 'cause I know I do. And if you don't love it, oh well, because once again, I do, and it's going in my garage. So haters, beware. I don't care. But you can still hit that thumbs down button if you don't like it, because I love it. And if you like it, hit that thumbs up button because I appreciate it. With that being said, let's get to the inside of the canister. This canister here, it's not the easiest to open, but let's pop that open, put that up there, and I actually got two items here, and I'll show you guys. They're the same, but one is just a smaller version. Pop that open here. So yeah, this right here is the actual artwork I want you guys to see. It's a Da Vinci Code version of the BMW M2. Man, ain't that dope? Like, oh man, that is so tight to me. Like, that's the side angle of the car right here, which basically are the dimensions of the car. That's the top angle, the aerial view. That's the back with the quad pipes. And that's the aggressive front of the Black Eagle. There's a glare there. It's rolled up because it's going to be unrolled once I put it in the frame, like I told you guys earlier. And we're going to put that bad baby right up there on the wall. Right up there on the wall. And I think that's going to be so dope once it's framed and everything. So that is tight. So yeah, here's the actual poster. Upside down. So here's right here is the actual poster. The dimensions. I think it's pretty cool. It's like I said, it's like the Da Vinci Code of the BMW M2. So we're gonna get this thing framed, and we're gonna put it up on that wall up there. So I think that's gonna be pretty dope once it goes up on that wall back there. And like I said, this is the first of many art projects I got coming for the garage. We're gonna work on the floors here. We're gonna walk on the walls. So yeah, I think that's pretty dope. Like I said, one of many side view. As you see, it looks just like the car. So this is like one of many projects we're gonna be doing here in the garage. Gonna be a lot of artwork in here on the walls, whatnot. So yeah, one of a few things we're gonna be working on. I'm really excited about that. I also got a smaller version. So let me show you guys that as well. Also, if you guys are wondering how much I paid for it, I got this off of Etsy. As you can see, the price or whatnot. Give you guys a close up. But yeah, we got this off of Etsy for $42.52. The bigger one, which is 17 by 22 inches. Yeah, that one was $28. And the smaller one that I'm about to show you guys is an 8 by 10. And I got that for $12. And so the total was $42.52. It was like $2.52 worth of tax. So the actual total was $40, and then you add tax. But very happy with my purchase. Once again, I said I got that from Etsy. They got all different types of makes and models of cars that you guys can look at. Just Google, you know, your car's make and model and artwork on Etsy. And or go to Etsy and then go in the search bar and put in your make and model of the type of car you have, and put in artwork, and you should see some stuff pop up. But this is the smaller version. I'm gonna put this one in my office, of course, because that'd be another project I got going. Working on my office here. Got some estimates coming this week for some new desks, some new chairs. The chairs I got coming, you guys are gonna be like, whoa, that's dope. I'm not gonna tell you guys what type of chairs I got until they come in, and then once the office is completely built in the house, I'll do a video for that. You guys are gonna really like my creation I got going. I'm gonna like it. So, but yeah, just wanted to share with you guys some art pieces I got, and give you some insight on what I'm gonna be doing with the garage as far as car content, because this is where Black Eagle sleeps at night. This is his nest. So we gotta make sure his nest is fresh and ready to go, and it looks pleasant for him. You know what I'm saying? If you like cars, let me correct myself. If you love cars, then you know what I'm talking about, and you'll be able to relate. With that being said, I keep this video short and simple and to the point. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm about to go and preview Jesus is King, Kanye West's new album, because I'm kind of curious about it. I might do a review on that. If you want to see a review on the album, if you like music, I love music, so periodically I drop little music jewels in there. But if you want to see a review of the album or my thoughts of his new album, Jesus is King, leave a comment below, a halo or something. But as far as car content, I got some more car content coming for you guys. You're gonna love it. So do me a favor, give me that thumbs up, that like button if you like the video. If you didn't like the video, oh well, hit the thumbs down button twice. The real ones understand what I'm talking about. But anyway, comment below and hit that subscribe button for me. We're trying to get these numbers up. I've been more appreciative of you guys and your continued support, so I want to say thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button and watch the next video, and I'll see you soon.